Hey guys, Tom from Let's Shell here. Today I want to talk about the many ways you can get paid to play video games at home. From making a few dollars, maybe even turn it into a full-time career. I'm going to give you a few options. As always, I like to be honest. I don't promote scams. Everything I say can work as long as you put some effort into it. So as always, like in all of my videos, I like to get straight to the point. So let's begin. So the first one on my list is SWAGBUCKS. This is one I've mentioned a million times. I love the offer section. That's how I make almost $1,000 a year. The surveys are good too. You won't make a lot, but you can make money. But they have a play section. So let's click on that and show you what it's all about. So they do have games where you can pay money, but we won't focus on that. That's if you want to win money in like trivia games or Scrabble. But we'll scroll down and go to the mobile games here, and we click on that full list. And it'll have lists of a ton of games you can play. And every SWAGBUCK is worth a penny. So for instance, this is worth 40, this is worth 30, $5, 25. You can see these really add up. So for example, let's just say you wanted to play this Lord's mobile game and earn $3. If I were to click on it, it's going to tell me what I need to do. I need to reach level 12 and I'll earn 300 SWAGBUCKS. No purchase necessary. The award will pen for 7 days, and I need to reach level 12 within 30 days. Now, some games, I don't know how hard it's going to be. This case, level 12 might be easy. It might be harder than you think. Just click on them and then read through and see what it's going to take you. Usually, the lower paying ones aren't going to require a lot, whereas the higher paying ones, for example, the 1,000 point one, which is worth $10, says you will need to reach level 20 to earn $10. So that one might be a little harder. Again, this is one of my favorite ones. You can download apps and check it out. You only need a couple dollars to cash out once you're in those SWAGBUCKS. You can go to the redemption page here, and as you can see, gift cards start for as little as $1 for Amazon, but if you want cash, it's $5. So lots of rewards. If there's something you want, I'm pretty sure SWAGBUCKS will have it. Follow the link in the description. You can get a bonus and start playing games within seconds. The next one I want to mention is BANANATIC. This is one of my favorite ones on the list. You get to play and test new games and earn bananas, in which you can cash out for cash, Steam games, whole bunch of things. So I'm going to show you. I'm logged in right now, and this is what your dashboard is going to look like. And you'll just go up here and you'll click on the Earn Bananas page, and then you can click on the game quest to play the games. There's other ways you can earn bananas too, such as downloading apps, shopping, and whatnot, but we're going to focus on the game quest. So we'll go to the game quest page here, and if you have a particular genre that you like, you can click on it. So if you like sports games, you could click on the sports section, and then you could see what sports games are available. Now, a lot of these games aren't as well known, but if you wanted to play, say, the online football manager, you would just click on the link and it would take you to the page. Now, it would say to earn these bananas, I would have to write an article or record a video, and then you can click the more and it'll just tell you what's expected of you, and you can read more about it. So this is a great one if you want to test out new games. You can again go to that Earn Bananas page, go to those game quests, and just even scroll through all the games, and on the side here you'll see how much you can earn. So the more points and XP that are there, the more quests you can do. So for example, if we look at this cross-out game, there's more than 4,300 bananas that are available, and you can click on it and it'll tell you what you would need to do. So in this case, you would need to keep playing and reaching these quests to earn. And then when it comes time to cash out, you can click on the Spend Bananas up here, and then you can see all of the cool prizes that you can get from Steam to games to Amazon gift cards and whatnot. So if you wanted the Amazon gift card, you just click on it and take you to the store, and you would need 2,500 bananas to earn $5. This is a great way, again, to test out new games. You can be entertained for hours. There's hundreds of games, and they're always being added. Check it out. It's fun, and it's a great way to earn money by trying out new games online. RAZER rewards you to play a variety of games, earning RAZER Silver for every minute you play. You're going to have to download this for Windows 10, 8, or 7, and then you can redeem it for rewards. Now, while there are limits as how much you can earn in a day, the featured games seem to be quite good, and probably games you may already be playing. In fact, I would say the game selection is probably some of the best. So if you go to the page, I'll link it in the description there, and you can see that you'll just have to download it, create an ID, click on the rewards, and select the paid to play. And then once you sign up and you do the paid to play, you can earn silver automatically if you pay the featured game, and then you can claim the silver to your wallet and cash out for prizes. So for example, if you want to see what games are supported right now, they have Cat Quest 2, Snow, and these keep changing, and then there's a frequently asked questions. It's pretty cool. Check that out. It's free to join. It's available worldwide, and you have to download the software to play, but other than that, it's worth checking out if you want to get paid to play a variety of video games. BetaTesting.com, this is one I wanted to include as well, and how it works is you can test out new apps, many of which are games, and there's websites and hardware as well. You'll complete tasks and then you'll give feedback, find bugs. So this is kind of like that BANANATIC earlier. You're going to test out new things, and then you can earn $10 to $20 for the test, sometimes more. This is going to depend, and they work with a lot of big names you've heard of. You're going to need to be at least 18 years old, speak and write fluently in English, and own a PC. You're not going to get paid much, but after you do get paid, payments are usually paid within 7 days via PayPal. This is a great one if you're kind of the type that likes to play something and look for the bugs in an app and then give feedback, able to kind of speak your thoughts as you're playing a game. This is free to join, create an account, and then wait for some invites. And like I said, you can make maybe 10, 20 bucks or sometimes more for playing some new games. Another one here is called PlayTestCloud. They're always looking for mobile app video game beta testers who want to test out new games that developers submit. So you have some big names here that submit newer games, and you get to test it out. And they have a how it works section. You can dig deeper and see how it works. And if you're approved, they'll send games via email and ask you to play it and think out loud while you're playing it, telling the users what you think of it. It's kind of like that beta testing that I just mentioned prior here. And if you want to sign up, I put the link in the description again. You'll just sign up. If they're eligible, they'll send you a qualification test, and that test is unpaid, but it teaches you how to play it. If you fail, don't worry, you can retake it, and after you qualify, they'll invite you again via email. Just let them know what games you play, what kind of devices you have, and then you can read the frequently asked questions. I know you're probably wondering, how much money can I earn? And most of the time they say generally a 15-minute test will earn you $9. So it's kind of like that beta testing one. Again, these are going to be newer games. You're going to have to speak your thoughts out loud while you're playing the game, but it's one to earn $10 here and there by playing games. Another one I want to mention here is one I've reviewed in the past. It's called MISTPLAY, and they have a ton of games, as you can see on their app right now. I'm scrolling through, and if any are of interest, you just click on it. Say you wanted to play this crosswords game. It'll tell you what you need to do to earn the units in the GXP, which is the currency to get you to your rewards. So in this one, you would have to reach level 2, and you would earn more units. And if you reach the level 2, then you get 500 GXP added to your account here. So now if we go back and we go to the main page here, you can go up to the top here, and this is where your GXP is, and you can go to the shop to spend it. So for right now, I only have 207. I haven't played it a lot, but I'll only need 400 to earn 50 cents, 1,800 to earn $5, and I only played for a little bit, and the points do add up fast, and there's a lot of great rewards in here. And the thing I like too is if you go back to the main page to the games there, they have tons, and you can just keep scrolling through all of these. There's a lot of games. You just have to install them and just click through them and see what you have to do to earn units. So again, reach level 2, you get 500 GXP. Then you can read the rating. There's multipliers which can increase your units by even more, and then it's as simple as installing, playing, and it links it. As long as you're playing the games that are linked to this MISTPLAY, you can earn those points. This one's free to download. Check it out. It's another good one. You're not going to get rich, but you can earn a couple dollars playing a bunch of new apps. Aside from the few apps that I mentioned, other ones through video game tournaments, and you can sign up for free with some of these, but you're going to have to put up your money. And how it works is you're going to fund your account, and then you're going to just click on a tournament that you want to play, and then if you win, you get the cash. So for example, let's go to a list of the tournaments going on right now. I can see if you were a Madden fan right now, you could win $10. So if we click on this Madden 21 for PlayStation 4, it's going to say that there's 2 seats. You're going to pay $5.50 to join, and if you beat that person, you'll win the $10. And it's not just Madden. There's just a list of all kinds of games. There's Mortal Kombat, there's Madden, like I said, FIFA, and UFC, and it goes on and on. The entry is $5, sometimes more if you scroll down. It's not a lot, but if you feel you're good at the game and you can win, you can get paid, but then you can lose money. I just wanted to mention here because there are sites like GamerSaloon and other ones. Just type in video game tournaments and you'll find a lot more. Okay, that's going to sum things up. As you can see, you can make a couple dollars playing video games right now. There's a lot of apps. If you don't like the apps I mentioned, just go to the Google Play Store and type in get paid to download games, and you'll find other options. Just look for the higher rated ones. Other than that, there's other ways to make money. You can create a YouTube channel, Twitch channel. You can also blog about video games. That's going to take a lot longer, but the earning potential is endless depending on how much work you put into it. You could also become a video game tester as a career. You can look on LinkedIn, ZipRecruiter, Indeed. You can find a job there as well. Hopefully these tips help you. That's going to conclude the video for now. As always, go to the website LushDollar.com to find other ways to make money and be smart with your money. I'm always honest. I have the videos. Be sure to help me by liking and subscribing. You can also comment below. I like to read those. As always, I appreciate you guys watching this video. That sums it up. I'll see you guys next time.